Propaganda is the organized spreading of partly false and partly true information to assist or damage the cause of a movement or an ideology, etc. I have used the phrase partly false and partly true. When something is partly false, it is not fully true. When it is not fully true, it is not true at all. Also, partly false and partly true information actually is misinformation. To spread misinformation is basically to mislead. Thus, the main purpose of any propaganda is to mislead people. So, propaganda is a form of dishonesty, and a propagandist is a dishonest person. The propaganda, or we should say the misinformation, is always carefully selected for its desired effect. It is designed to influence the thoughts of the audience to further a political, sectarian, or commercial agenda by presenting only one side of an argument, and this is done by deception. A propagandist is not providing information impartially. In order to create the chosen result, such propaganda is usually repeated over a wide variety of media. Propaganda presents facts selectively, of course deceitfully, to produce an emotional rather than rational response to the half-truths presented. The half-truth is basically a false statement. Propaganda can be used as a form of ideological or commercial warfare. When propaganda is used as a form of commercial warfare, it is called advertisement. All kinds of commercial advertisements in print and electronic media are commercial propaganda. A person trying to influence the religious views of his audience in order to convert them into his sect by presenting only one side of an argument deceitfully is, as a matter of fact, a propagandist. This is a form of sectarian propaganda. A preacher of righteousness can never indulge in sectarian propaganda. A true saint can never be a sectarian propagandist. A sectarian propagandist is nothing else but a sectarian salesman selling his sectarian nonsense. I have said earlier that a propagandist is a dishonest person. A dishonest person can never be called a religious person. If truth be told, a sectarian propagandist is an agent of evil force. To propagandize and to educate are two different concepts. To educate means to provide with knowledge or training in a particular area or for a particular purpose. To educate means to teach or to inform when facts are presented without any prejudice, when truth is not hidden, when no misinformation is spread. Then it is called providing with knowledge. It is the opposite of propaganda. I am not a propagandist. I am an educator. I am not here to propagandize. I am here to share information. I am not here to spread sectarian propaganda. I am here to spread the message of love and humanity. I am here to share the idea of freedom. My definition of freedom takes account of every right mentioned in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights adopted by the United Nations on December 10, 1948. I also include in this definition the freedom from sectarian blind faith. The rights and freedoms mentioned in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights are the physical aspect of freedom, and the freedom from sectarian blind faith is its psychological and academic aspect. The goal of physical as well as psychological and academic freedom can be reached right the way through the mysticism. That is to say, the mystical experience of ultimate reality or the God Almighty. Amritworld.com is not a propaganda website. It definitely is an educational website.